directly exchange your dollar directly to peso for 0.10, right?
No, because you have Canadian dollar. You don't have dollar, right? So you have two options. First, convert. So first option is you convert your Canadian dollar into dollar and then dollar into peso. Second option is you directly give 200 Canadian dollar and receive 1300 pesos. So which one is good option for you?
The direct offer.
Right? So
I didn't calculate is because they charge you twice, so I didn't calculate, I guess.
That doesn't mean what if this is 1100 pesos? You still go for, we don't know whether this offer is, worthwhile or not. So since there are a number of, solutions to this problem, but we are solving it through cross rates. So the two foreign currencies are and pesos, right? So what you need peso. It means you want to find out Canadian dollar over peso, which would be, if you want to use dimension method, it would be Canadian dollar over dollar multiplied by dollar over peso. So do we have these rates? Do we have dollar over peso? Yes, it is 0.10. And do we have Canadian dollar over dollar? We have dollar over Canadian dollar, right? This 0.6. It means we need to reverse it. So in that case, 1/6, right? Canadian dollar over peso. So 0.1 divided by 0.16666 something, right? And now when you convert your $200, so $200 divided by 0.116, answer would be close to 1200 something, right? So in that case, if you convert your Canadian dollar into dollar and then take the dollars, fly to Mexico, and over there you exchange your US dollar to pesos, you will be getting around approximately 1200 to $1210, rounding error something if you remove that one. But this person is giving you directly hand over Canadian dollar and receive 1300 pesos. So better option would be exchange through that person. So I have pasted the solution here as well, right? So if you understand the cross exchange rate, please solve this. So this is a classwork. So what I'm trying to do, I would be making a breakout room. Please over there discuss, and that would be, let me see how many students we have. 9.1. So I'm making 3 groups. So it's going to be a group activity. So please take a picture, and remember, you need to turn on your camera for discussion. This is group activity. Florian, please accept. Breakout room. Lota, please accept. Florian, can you hear me? Okay, so I'm pausing the video right now. I'm going to the breakout room, and then I would be resuming the video. Okay, guys. So we are back from our breakout room. So let's do this classwork. So today you notice the following exchange rate quotations: $1 to 2 Argentinian pesos, which means we have Argentinian pesos. I'm just going to write it AP over dollar is equal to 3. We have 1 Argentinian pesos is equal to point, uh, 0.5 Canadian dollar over peso is equal to 0.5. So you need to purchase 100,000 Canadian dollar with US dollar. So how many US dollars will you need for your purchase? So we have Canadian dollar, we have dollar, and we have pesos. It means we need to find out, you have Canadian dollar, and all you need to do is how many dollars that you can buy from 100,000 Canadian dollars. All you need to do is to find out the cross exchange rate of Canadian dollar and dollar, right? So cross exchange rate that you want to maintain is Canadian dollar over dollar. So if we expand that one, that would be Canadian dollar over Argentinian pesos multiplied by Argentinian pesos divided by dollar. So we have Canadian it is Canadian dollar over pesos, we have 0.5. And do we have AP over dollar? It is 1, it is 3. Answer would be 3 multiplied by 0.5. It is 1.5. And how many Canadian dollars are going to be converted into dollars? So can I remove it? I think I should write here. So now we need to convert. We have Canadian dollar over dollar, which is 1.5, and we have 100,000 Canadian dollar. So how many dollars are going to be needed? So you divide it with 1.5. Answer would be 66667. Or let me erase it and show you the solution here. Here we go. So there is going to be numerous methods to solve this. So you can also, because we are having cross rate, I earlier calculated Canadian dollar over dollar. You can also do this with dollar over Canadian dollar. Okay, you just need to maintain one of these cross exchange it, and you can find out how many dollars you need. So we need, answer is the same. So you can use either dimension method. Either you want to find out Canadian dollar over dollar, or either you want to find out dollar over Canadian dollar, and then you find out how many dollars are going to be exchanged with 100,000 Canadian dollar, right? Now the second classwork. The second classwork is, assume that $1 is equal to 0.85 euros, which means euro over dollar. Come on. It means euro over dollar is equal to 0.85, and yen over dollar is equal to 98. Right? $1 is equal to 98 yen. $1 is equal to 0.85 euros. So the value of yen in euros. So what we need to find out? Euro over yen. So use dimension method. Euro over yen equals to euro over dollar multiplied by dollar over yen. So do we have euro over dollar? Yes. It's 0.85. Do we have dollar over yen? No. It means we need to reverse that one. That would be, an answer should be, let me double check. It would be 0.0085. 0.85 or 87, right? 0.00867, which is 0.00887. Everybody understand? Kathleen, Lota, Florian.
For this one, I found 0.012 and then 004.
Now,
And
how did you
then
calculate?
what I did, I said like, assume that $1 is equal to 0.85 euro and 98 yen, the value of yen in euro. So I want to know how many yen in euro. So I did $1 divided by 0.85 euro, and then with this result, I divide this result by 98.
That you found out the, I think you find out euro in yen.
If I wanted to do euro, so this is a good formula for euro and yen. That's what you say?
No, we want to find out the value of yen. Value of yen, which means 1 yen is equal to how many euros? This we want to find out.
Oh,
You found out one
is you?
euro is equal to how many yen?
Oh, got it. Okay.
Okay, so pay very close attention to what you are finding out. Okay, understand? So that's why I told you use dimension method. That would be very easy for you.
That you say dimension method. That's the name, right? Dimension method. Okay, thank you.
Normally we use it in physics to find out, what are the dimensions. So we can, this is also basically, you know I think third standard or fourth standard mathematics, cross multiplication rules and all those stuff. So basically that how I found it very easy for to the students to understand. Okay, so if there is no question for this classwork, then we move to our next one. So currency derivatives, which is also a part of international financial markets. You heard about derivative markets, right? Forward, future. So let's just talk about this. Forward contract. So forward contract is an agreement between a foreign exchange dealer and a company or individual can be, but since we are talking about international international finance, so most of the transactions are related to MNCs, multinational corporations. So don't worry about that. It can be an individual as well. So a contract between dealer and a party, individual or company,